Welcome to the DMV Practice Test Pro. Question 1. Drive below the posted speed limit when A. Anything makes conditions less than perfect. B. You see a police car. C. Entering a highway where there are other cars. D. You are on a 4-lane road. The correct answer is A. Question 2. You are driving when it starts to sleet or snow. You should A. Keep your windshield and mirrors clear. B. Allow additional distance between your vehicle and the vehicles that you are following. C. Approach all vehicles with caution. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Question 3. When parallel parking, you should park within inches of the curb. A. 10. B. 12. C. 18. D. 24. The correct answer is C. Question 4. If you are stopped by law enforcement, you should A. Stop in the middle of the roadway. B. Pull to the right side of the road. C. Pull to the left side of the road. D. Stop where you are. The correct answer is B. Question 5. When you see other drivers around you acting or reacting in anger. A. Don't make eye contact. B. Don't react with hand gestures. C. Distance yourself from the situation. D. All of these. The correct answer is D. Question 6. Compared to driving during the day, driving at night is A. Less dangerous. B. No more or less dangerous. C. More dangerous. D. Easier on your eyes. The correct answer is C. Question 7. To drive safely at night, you should A. Increase your following distance. B. Not drive if you are tired. C. Make sure your headlights are working properly. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Question 8. This sign means A. No right turns. B. Right turns are permitted. C. Stop before turning right. D. Sharp curve ahead. The correct answer is A. Question 9. When you are driving on the freeway and see that a vehicle will be entering your lane from an entrance ramp, you should A. Maintain your speed and position. B. Honk your horn so they know you are there. C. Ignore them because you have the right of way. D. Change lanes or slow down to allow them room. The correct answer is D. Question 10. underscore 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 greatly increase stopping distances and severity of crashes. A. High speeds. B. Slow speeds. C. Night drives. D. Uphill inclines. The correct answer is A. Question 11. You are driving on a narrow road when you meet an oncoming vehicle. You must A. Pull completely off the road and stop. B. Allow the oncoming vehicle at least one half of the main traveled portion of the road. C. Demand the other vehicle pull over to make room. D. Turn on your high beam headlights to make sure the other vehicle sees you. The correct answer is B. Question 12. When is it illegal to drive below the speed limit? A. When driving slowly disrupts the normal flow of traffic. B. When in heavy traffic in a construction zone. C. Only when driving in rural areas. D. When driving under adverse weather conditions. The correct answer is A. Question 13. Diagonal stripes sloping downward right on a barricade or panel mean. A. The driver should stop. B. The driver should bear to the right. C. The driver should bear to the left. D. The driver should drive in a straight line. The correct answer is B. Question 14. Drivers may not pass from either side of a underscore 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 centerline. A. Combination solid and broken yellow. B. Single broken yellow. C. Double solid yellow. D. Single broken white. The correct answer is C. Question 15. Drivers may not park within underscore 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 of a railroad crossing. A. 50 feet. B. 65 feet. C. 100 feet. D. 80 feet. The correct answer is A. Question 16. When may you pass another vehicle on the right shoulder of the road? A. Never. B. When the car in front of you is driving too slowly. C. When the car in front of you is turning. D. When the shoulder is unpaved. The correct answer is A. Question 17. A reflective orange triangle on the back of a vehicle indicates that A. It is a slow-moving vehicle. B. It is an ambulance. C. It is a school bus. D. The vehicle is broken. The correct answer is A. Question 18. When parking your vehicle downhill on a two-way street. A. Turn your wheels to the right. B. Turn your wheels to the left. C. Keep your wheels pointed straight ahead. D. Leave your transmission in neutral. The correct answer is A. Question 19. What are the consequences of a driver or passenger not wearing a safety belt? A. There are no consequences. B. Just a stern talking to. C. A fine for each individual who is not fastened into their seat. D. Imprisonment. The correct answer is C. Question 20. If you come to a roadway covered in water, you should A. Drive until you think the water is too deep. B. Drive through, as it is unlikely the standing water will become too deep. C. Turn around and find another way to go. D. Walk out into the water to determine its depth. The correct answer is C. Question 21. Drivers should allow a following distance of at least seconds when driving behind a motorcycle. A. 4 to 6. B. 2. C. 10. D. 8. The correct answer is A. Question 22. You come to an intersection displaying a flashing red light. You should A. Come to a full stop and go when it is safe to do so. B. Stop only if other cars are also approaching the intersection. C. Stop only if other cars are already within the intersection. D. Slow down and be prepared to stop, if necessary. The correct answer is A. Question 23. Your brake lights tell other drivers that you A. Are making a turn. B. Have your emergency brake on. C. Are changing lanes. D. Are slowing down or stopping. The correct answer is D. Question 24. If you need to slow down while driving on a slippery road, the first thing you should do is A. Firmly apply your brakes. B. Take your foot off the gas pedal. C. Apply your parking brake. D. Pump your brakes. The correct answer is B. Question 25. This green arrow on a lane use control signal means A. You may use this lane. B. No traffic is allowed in this lane. C. You have the right of way. D. You must merge into this lane. The correct answer is A. Question 26. This road sign means A. All traffic must turn right. B. No right turn. C. All traffic must go straight ahead. D. A road joins from the right. The correct answer is D. Question 27. When turning onto a one-way street, drivers should A. Always turn into the right lane. B. Always turn into the left lane. C. Turn into the lane that will interfere the most with traffic. D. Turn into the lane that will interfere the least with traffic. The correct answer is D. Question 28. You may cross double solid yellow lines. A. To pass a slow-moving truck. B. To turn into a driveway. C. To pass another car. D. Under no conditions. The correct answer is B. Question 29. When turning or changing lanes, you must A. Always signal your intentions, even when no visible traffic is present. B. Signal only if there is visible traffic. C. Signal only when driving at night. D. Signal only when driving in heavy traffic at night. The correct answer is A. Question 30. A steady yellow light at an intersection means A. Go. B. Yield to other cars. C. Slow down and prepare to stop. D. Stop. The correct answer is C.